some facts with you all. So let's see what have we got in our store for us today. Hiccups. Have you ever had hiccups? I bet you have. Hiccup is a strange sound produced when we eat too much or too fast. But what's the actual reason for it? It's all due to an organ called diaphragm. Diaphragm lies in the bottom of our lungs and helps the lungs to pump air. But sometimes the diaphragm gets irritated. When it gets irritated, it pulls the air in a jerky way. And when it pulls the air in a jerky way, the air started rushing and hit the voice box. And then you have a big hiccup. That's all for today. It's my Parishi signing off. Thank you.